we're installing our fiber optic cable with it, so we're just pinching it around and it slides right in. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Alex Tech 1/4 inch 25 feet split loom. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the loom. Here's the loom, guys. Check it out. You can see it right here. This is the 1/4 inch size, but they have a lot of different sizes depending on your needs and lengths as well. So this is what it looks like. It's split down the middle, so you can just run your cables right through, just like you see here, and then it just kind of snaps right back up on itself. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. So you can see what it looks like now as we're installing our fiber optic cable with it. So we're just pinching it around and it slides right in. So you can see the installed part and the part we're still working on. All right, so you can see we finished the 2 fiber cables right here. And now I went ahead, I started on one of the Cat 6A cables. You can see we got one of the blue ones covered, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cover the second one. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.